पुलिस पुलिस अरे भाई So hopefully the audio is clear right now because the setup is little bit changed. I mean the camera is the same, but I've got the adapter of the GoPro after a long time. So hopefully the audio is now clear. So let me know in the comment section below. So back with the Domino once again. As you guys know, this is not mine once again, this is my friend's Niladri who is riding my N-Torq behind me. There is my N-Torq. If you're from Kolkata, then you know there is a partial lockdown going on right now here. So hopefully there is no wind noise right now. My visor is open. Actually, this is the second time I am trying to test the mic. The previous mic, it was not capturing the audio properly. It was taking the audio in a single channel, not in the both. So this GoPro is really complicated, man. I mean, with the adapter it's more complicated. After so long I got this adapter. I booked it, sorry, I ordered it, I think 2 to 3 weeks ago, and then it got delivered at my place. And even after that, the stupid adapter doesn't support all kind of mics. It only supports the TRS kind of fittings. आवाज बेड़े गए रे हेवी অনেক বেড়ে গেছে ওই যে ব্রেকটা লেগে আছে এখনো ওই সামনের ব্রেকটা লেগে আছে ব্রেক ছাড়া কিন্তু অন হয় না ব্রেকটা লেগে আছে সামনের অফ কর হ্যাঁ ওটা ছাড়া অন হবে না So yeah, there are a little bit issues with my N-Torq. So 8th service is due. I will be doing it very soon because of this all lockdowns and everything. Like again, it extended till July 15th. Today is June 30th. So hopefully let the lockdown end first properly. আর ভাল লাগছে না কবে যাবে কোভিড and the temperature and the weather, my god, just few days back it was raining like 3 to 4 hours continuously and আমি ওটাই ভাবছিলাম যে দুদিন আগে বৃষ্টি কাকে বলে হ্যাঁ পুরো কলকাতায় জল দাঁড়িয়ে গেল 3-4 ঘন্টা টানা বৃষ্টি আর এখন দেখ ওয়েদার গরম কাকে বলে আজকে সকালবেলা নাকি 35 ছিল 35 আর 32 ছিল না এখন নেই ধর ব্রেক ছাড়া অন হবে না। আমি বলছি তো ওটা লেগে থাকছে বলে হচ্ছে, এই পুরো এই পরের সার্ভিসে এগুলো সব দেখাতে হবে। ওটা লাগে টুকটাক কাজে। My God, the Dominator is hitting too much here. I love the exhaust of the Dominator, man. The two things that I really like it, the bike is totally good, no doubt about that. But the most lovable thing for me is the exhaust and the power. Chapri riders, oh. আলাদাই মজা। ওহ this area is like this. I mean, everything is like surprise. Anything can happen anyway. So be very careful at this place. Look at him. I mean, after riding this bike, that is nothing. That is so light and nimble. So he is having fun. Hey, police!
Oh, no.
আরেকটা হলে যাচ্ছে। আমি দেখছি তো তুই বাদিক বেরোলি আর ওখানে দাঁড়িয়ে আছে। I mean, man, oh, I miss this so much. We are out for just a small spin in the city. I mean, it was so needed, man. Oh, shit. I mean, he is having a lot of fun with that. I mean, this too, if I shouldn't compare the N-Torque with the Dominar, but if I compare this right now, then this is more of power and cruising, and that is how the city use. হেভি মজা না? আমি তো তোকে দেখছিলাম, আমি দেখলাম বাদিক বেরোলে সামনে দাঁড়িয়ে আছে। কলকাতার লোকজনদের যে কি অবস্থা হয়েছে, এতদিন রাস্তায় না বেরিয়ে দেখাই যাচ্ছে এখন। So yeah, again back to basics, back to my cute Chota Giant Torque. It feels so small and nimble as well. अरे भाई প্রচুর তারা। ओ भाई like everyone is charged up. The big difference that I'm feeling is the handlebar, like it's so small. So hopefully this is a daily observation. So I should end this video right now here. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, do hit the like button, and if you're new to this channel, please subscribe. So yeah, stay safe and ride safe. See you in the next vlog. Till then, peace.